Kurumuchomano Nairobi, Kisii, Nyamira, Nechingongo chindi chense ya Kenya. Abariki baitomba bakorentera mangana magia asenchira yobuikirano. Emanya mange na boigo bwatra n'Ensoko TV koigeka chingenjo chyomugusi. Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi. Tomo chako tengere merobere ito yogosemia na gukumenya yago korekana kira rituko nabariki baitu be andrete chinga kichons asengencho yao eyariganie asobo tengari butari no mubwekano. Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi. Umuruburi kubwatia na bukurigirirwa na kiro muntu.
Wancho mwegereria ne eituko lya gatano watu baiti gatano ya eituko lya emeronge 24 mutenyo kanu mwaka yo 2050 no mo senchera bene ne chinse to cha usene chinse chebona mambya steka cyo chapto kigure ne steka chire isato choka ne senchera bene to goso ya masa ya mwiko somo rubetro bini mambya bonega to sangamo go chakira bonega agoika chinsa isano ne mocha bono mogase sengecho kalituko lituko lichuma metro bino tuge mwana ige siasa ya to kana ya korekana na yara chiko kana senchera ere ya bene igose cha bene go kwariganya imejetero bini mambye yabone gekero ya chakire ebene ekero kugusa no gotindi kugandete kwene kibwa agatiye mugabana abwe county ya Nyamira Amos Munyalibo amo no muwaziri we wizara yobocheni mense ya Kenya Aden Ndware Igorech machine gete chiokore ndobo chenu westwene to gwikiranibwa ase county Nyamira korende korengana Ndware nigo omugabana atarachi go chiye kurwa ase nyomba chiria ose ase chibwendete kuyiwa kurwa chigikirana sinyagitari imeye chinyagitari ao imeye mo Nyamira korende korengana nyaligo atebanga chi machine yecho nigo chirengete go chikurusi chibasagete chitagiye cho wene na igo chire echi abo corruption korengana na nyaribo intayigo chigo chiyo yekegara igate chikuba chigwa kono madeni gete yugera ba madeni amarito hasomosigo kwakana ne county ya Nyamira gotinga nayo nige kya magia Jubilee boneka kereta gutinyo bunyamasibu aye asekobeka chiabisi asekere wodi yense ya Kenya sit korigoro mo osewesti mo konyi gwe kya magia Jubilee Dr. Fred Okengo Matianyi atakaba kirane sensema ya Bahati wodi ya Bahati imeye county area ayose ime ya Nakuru atakaba kabo chakio bisibeno noni gabu kurororo nigo Matianyi atakaba ikonya ribo galia bene na kobagi keriboro morebwense na bego borayibwa ya gotebekananga no borayibo tari oborongero nyanigo umungu sana go tindi konya korokana gatie kya makirigia ODM mone kya makirikia UDO mwanche mureria nigo bwabe taba wika igoro moyali omega jo morayibwense na wigo morayibwe kya makirigia ODM buru dinga komena na gokore bikaro kuresi mbene yo barayimense ya state house chinsa chinke choka mega yo morayibwense kwa na kurwense ya Itari ime ega goze kuru na kurugari lo mu ime ya Itari asabe takaba kagota chinsemo akorende agikara sansena bakacha mo ingabona wika ebachiko korega sio so bwamo elio kwereka inga kya megose komeki obomo wa Jubilee yani obomo gwe kya makeregia ODM amone kya makiria kya UDA mbulia agochia gwatane kabuna konyora wangere kumusana borosana korengane egenteketo nga zoning inganga wente kobeka bali abachi kuburi burayi ingo wente kobeka abarwani bibirogo ao asegete na asikibata bwente kobeka gose asegete kyamagete kwente kobeka ne kendegeta bwente kobeka ngenya kete liberali tindi igatiye byame ibire kwene wikirabonega inigatokote umure bwense amo na barebali ba ODM igabeka rasti na gochamo na korosie committee yiri achikobage kuringori na kwera kinga obosani bwabo kugendera bole asema tuko are amatambe ayunga tiyali amange tochi kwane mambi yabonega nyoranga itukolero nitkwene sane mense ya Kenya ase binano biri bya Cape Keino Classic Continental Tour century ya bene bigo chakala yaro mense ya Kenya asegesera Kenya yo stadium chakala chinse sana esato weka chinse esato chao tuko ababunyoki au kurensengi mabakire mense ya Kenya ababunyoki abagiyata no bari mense ya Kenya bawo kumnyoka mnyoka yo Cape Keino Classic Continental Tour mwanchi mu yo chiko chake century ya bene tumasikunyaranga omnyoki giyata fene no manyara hobeke tele ningala yo tukala igatuko kumnyoka 30 second yo 30 second komi mnyoranga matuka wango iga kurwa senseria ya Addis Ababa abakumnyoka gotumeka second kianda ne chimekro second emirong kiana ne tono to 9.98 yesit ko yara tabanga igonte ko mnyo kanse second ye chino ko beke record ye nsengi makwende tare record ya Africa King abunyo kibande na mona Cam Rogers hoyo ko mnyo kachimbiro cha Olympics world record imeje nsengi manermo bwiwe byewo kerika Olympics amo nike kerika world championship era umekena Karina Rogers se asema mnyokari ahama imense ya Kenya no ari nero ikire kuruense ya USA esa ko mnyokasa mnyokari a continental tour ego so ya hama yoko ruta agasani Lilian Odira mo bwiwe chimbiro cha world engima chichimita chimesona esato imense ya Kenya rero no ari asa mnyokari uchakara cha barabara gobo ngati mnyokibande bya tabense ya Kenya bo chukirana ndobato mnyokigi ata kuruense ya USA gomo kwando musubati Gabi Thomas kumnyoka chimiro chichimiza chimibere nabayigo hakumnyoka chimite cyo erero mu bibe kyokerika Olympic amaneka World Championship wesenchera ere yabena nabayigo ntobwate brand level kurense ya Jamaica kumnyoka chimiro nyinga chimite niye yemo ine ngogo chikobwa Thomas kunyoranga murabamu ababere nkorara bana mwisesiliso chimiro chichimita chiri bisato cyokoruka mache amone bioni ngokwanda Edmond Serem amana wamurumu abo kwiburwa amo Serem bonsi sesiliso rero komana chimbe cha 3000 meter sipo chelse ko tumeo chararo amo ona maje hine niwo chikwe ebiego asimbe chitya rero chigo chikorekana imyanya stadium ochakira chinsa isa ona sata kuika chinsa isa to chabo tukayuansi to chikunyamanya kunya kwandra century yobo imekwenda situkera niwo to kwana amangana ya siasa charongo rwagu siyo so ime to chiko kwana kabisa nikigendera to korekana ya siasa ine siasa ngaibare ese amangana yege siasa nensema yoko serikali bale nensema gime serikali bale nensema yenda mwananchi bale ntome tuike bonega ase gusiere kolende asa mange to chiko kwana re ewen nyangena masega maleke na mauna kadosi ubego korije kergo keria kyobwe msie ase wadi area ayeri goma ochawe kame studio to kwana mangana mange igoro ya siasa cherogongo rwagusi nikigenda tekorekana emambia aya abonega kolende asencheri yabeno mwancho modeli etorobini ya chake ayare motu ngati yari abatiki kwarigenelia na itogo chiko kwana ese emambia aya abonega una batabe igonkoro kwa Daniel Mwaga ikaransa tamanya ni metorobini kwekomwerio karibu naendo mwanchumurerie mambia yabonega tosange na imetrovini go kachinsa isano nemo cha abono mugaso inyoranga mosere tabono obwe county ya Nyamira nko kwanera okongo mogeni nigeso kina komo chibororo mugabana bwe county ya Nyamira Amos Kimubinyalibo asokurutana mangana matindi no mwaziri we mangana yobo choni mense ya Kenya Aden Duale korengana na kongo mogeni igarne mo ichanonga county ya Nyamira we kabonega tebwa timashini chiri cha MRI chogo pima borwere bwa cancer na nigo abate ngakio osenigo atebirenga iyo tabyembe kegara umugabana bwe county Nairobi nigabona yani county ya Nyamira nigabona ko sokya na kwenda ku machine korengana no mwaziri wa mwaziri yodi abo bachoni mense ya Kenya Aden Duale kolende okungusana go tindwe kabonega yokeneta kwene kibwa agati ya Duale amo no mugabana bwe county ya Nyamira Amos Kimomi Inyaribo asekalianga no go to machine chwenta ko konya mangana yobo chenu imeye county ya Nyamira tango turagiri chinkwana chiaye omo senator Kongo mogeni kerargo kwana kurwa senate iditko olegora maragoba.
Mr. Speaker, yesterday CS Duale, CSL was before the Senate and he made some comments, I think out of the sympathy he has for the people of Nyamira. And he said he wanted to be very frank to the people of Nyamira, and he said healthcare in Nyamira has collapsed. And I thought the response from my good friend, Governor of Nyamira, would have been to reach out, just pick a phone call, get an appointment, come to Nairobi, go to the office of CS Duale, a very dedicated public servant who wants to improve our health care. But I saw this morning, I think at 11, the governor of Nyamira called a press conference. Duale has nothing personal against the residents of Nyamira. I think its only concern is that they have done an evaluation, which I believe is professional, and found that healthcare in Nyamira has collapsed. Okay? And I expected the governor to reach out. But instead, Mr. Speaker, I had him hurling abuses at the CS and saying, CS, you have personal interests. I'm going to expose how corrupt you are, which I thought was very unnecessary. I want to advise my governor, through you, Mr. Speaker, that when some of these issues are raised on the floor of the House, it's because we want service delivery to reach our people, Mr. Speaker. As we speak, CS Duale discovered a lot of fraud in one of the level 4 hospitals called Nyamusi. And that hospital, as we speak, has been deregistered from provision of SHA. And citizens of Nyamira who go to Nyamusi, and that's where the governor, honorable governor, comes from, don't get services, Mr. Speaker. Instead of abusing the minister, the CS, the cabinet secretary, what I would have done, Speaker, if I was the governor of Nyamira, would have to reach out to the CS, Duale, engage him, ask him to restore the provision of SHA to Nyamusi Hospital so that our women who are giving birth can get these services using the SHA card. But telling the CS that you have never visited Nyamira, you are corrupt, we know the personal interest you have, it doesn't help our people at all. And he says there are a number of payments that have not been made to the county government of Nyamira by SHA. The CEO SHA is a good lady, Dr. Mercy Mwangangi. I'm requesting and making an appeal to my governor to also make use of his senator. My office in Nairobi is open. Anytime he wants an intervention, any assistance to, if there is money that has not been sent, let him talk to me. I've sent money to Nyamira now. My budget is over 6.2 billion. When you put together with conditional grants, on source, we are dealing with 8 billion. But I was shocked today that the governor is confessing that Nyamira has no MRI. I don't know whether in Garissa you have an MRI machine. I don't know about Migori, Mr. Speaker. But to call for a press conference and confess before the residents of Nyamira that there is no MRI machine for cancer screening in Nyamira was shocking to me. To confirm to the residents of Nyamira that the last time we received a consignment of medicine to our hospitals was in May, and that since May, the next consignment was being delivered today. It's a big disappointment.
Na bono mwanchumureria nigo omone wa waziri mense ya Kenya raboigo oromo waziri we wizara ya mangana chise cha isiko Wycliffe Musalia Mudavadi ayene kiribu na ebirengo bibokurumi nigo byamentekanire kuika ebirengo bya 53 na bine igoro oyemia na korengana nere nigo ogoikera gose nigo abantu bari babwatene mu bibokurumi bari ebirengo bya 90 chino gutaisa resato na bonsi imbanya tokababa kwa roboti mega yoko mukiradu kubatirwa no bokurumi gose okorwari yaki egento ya korero komentakana ko bokurumi korwa abantu kiribwinye ego ikabantu kiribwi isano nemo goikera omwari bo mwaka 2025 gose 2025 nigo Musalia Mudavadi ya kwandra ya korwese bikaro bire bya 15 nalimo bya East Africa Anti-Corruption Authority je bakorekanete aiga ime emucho Nairobi yango turagire chinkwana cha Wycliffe Musalia Mudavadi.
The cost is enormous. The World Bank estimates that more than 2.6 trillion US dollars, or about 5% of the global GDP, is lost annually to corruption. The United Nations estimates that the global cost at about 3.6 trillion US dollars in bribes and stolen funds. The OECD indicates that public, private, not-for-profit organizations lose about 5% of revenue to occupational fraud each year, while as much as 8% to 25% of public investment disappears through procurement, fraud, and mismanagement. That is money that should be building roads, hospitals, schools, and creating jobs. Instead, it is vanishing into criminal hands. Corruption thrives where anonymity prevails. It hides behind shell companies, as you have rightly said, opaque ownership structures, and weak regulatory oversight. So when we speak about unmasking beneficial ownership, we are really speaking about exposing hidden networks of illicit wealth, restoring integrity to our financial systems, and reclaiming resources that rightfully belong to our people. You know, you people don't have many friends. Yeah? You don't have many friends. When you appear to have a cup of tea somewhere with somebody, after a while the person rushes off and pays a bill and disappears, or walks away from that table because they forget you're human beings. Yeah? They forget you're human beings, so they tend to run away from you or to shy away. But as they say, some of these things come with the territory. So you guys are in that center stage. We rely on you. We depend on you. We look forward to your commitment so that we can succeed in the war against corruption. So take heart that as much as you may not have many friends, the world and the country really needs your input, your work, and the impact that you will produce, because with it you'll unlock so much potential for so many others. So as much as you don't have friends, remember God is with you.
Na bono mwancho mureria ni gombora ibwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto ne kiribuna ni gobono chinse chero ngoro Africa chibwandrete koriye eniwa yabe isaine ede gwikania magendero agati ya skuru chibara chinyagitari amugati ya magendero ande mura ibwense ni gatebiri ngaine nchira yamo yogokinia ebirengo ya Africa chigoikarana ne birengo biribye chinse chinde rosoro ngoro nde bunarulia a Europe. Ruto niga yakwandaya hasebi karabiri bya kilo mwaka bya Build Africa ibyakorekarete aiga imimo Nairobi ase omura ibwense ya Buganda Yoweri Kaguta Museveni abeteko bakawikirana tigango tolara chinkwana cha Daktari William Samoei Ruto.
We must harness African capital. As the saying goes, he who pays the piper calls the tune. Industrialists here know the meaning of that phrase better than all of us. Our ambitions will remain unrealized if we continue to depend on external capital whose primary interest is securing raw materials for their own industries. We must say that with clarity. We must therefore strengthen our regional development finance institutions, including the Africa Finance Corporation. And I want to inform the Africa Finance Corporation fraternity that as you set up office in Nairobi, the Kenya government is going to enhance its equity by $25 million as a demonstration of the confidence we have in African financial institutions. We cannot continue to export raw materials and importing finished products made from them. The conversation we will have over the next 2 days must therefore be truly definitive on the way forward in terms of manufacturing and value addition. In this room, we have political leaders, we have industrialists, captains of industry, financiers, everyone required to move this agenda from aspiration to implementation. That is why I propose 3 key action points. First, we must strengthen our political resolve to deepen regional integration. Our countries possesses complementary endowments, including natural resources in one country, energy resources in another country, and an optimal location for industrial processing in the next country. This must be connected through infrastructure, roads, rail, ports, and electricity grids, so that raw materials and intermediate goods can move freely across borders. When the other day we divested from Kenya Pipeline because we wanted to unlock the value of Kenya Pipeline and use it for the transformation of the country, President Museveni called me and said, I want to buy 50% of Kenya Pipeline. And he told me, I don't care the price. You know? That's how serious he was. When some other pessimists in Kenya were saying, oh, you know, the price is very high, I don't know. You know, President Museveni could see beyond the price. He could see the opportunity of transforming our nation, our region together. Mzee, I want to assure you that the same way you invested in Kenya Pipeline, Kenya is going to invest in your refinery and in the future of our resources together. And hopefully we can bring all the other countries in our region to see the value, not in the short-term benefit you get from something cheap from somewhere else, but in the benefit of building something for the future that will not only earn you money today.
Mwancho muligirelia na gukwana hekerekyo muraibwense ya Buganda Yoweri Kaguta Museveni nigaene kiribuna chenchera nchiro ekyobwene ekyukobeka omokia elye chinse kya Afrika konyolie nibo yabarwa banyane buna henchera yemo oyo kwegendelia na wikania magendro a oimirongo oru Afrika kiagerense kya Afrika nigo kibonete kwetinendera barabo abanyane turagiringe kuona yaye Yoweri Kaguta Museveni.
Then number 6, fragmented market. If you produce, who buys? I've told you that my tribe cannot help me with, I am a capitalist also. I sell my milk. But in Uganda, it is bought by the Ugandans in Kampala. Not in my tribal area so much. Then East Africa. That's why I've been begging His Excellency Ruto, my young sister Mia, please, ruhusu maziwa yangu yaje huko bila vizuizi. Now, if you don't have a market, how will you attract capital? And the ones who invest in your country, how will they succeed? China opened in 1978. China, I have the figures here by that time. China opened in 1978, opened the economy. Our African economies were open all the time, all that time. But by the time I made this speech here, 10 years ago when we were with the Prime Minister of Japan here, by that time China had attracted $2.6 trillion, while Africa had attracted only $0.65 trillion. Why? One of the magnets is the big Chinese market inside China. One of the big magnets of attracting. So, to go on with these fragmented economies is a very big mistake. And that's why I'm very happy with His Excellency Ruto denouncing the tariff barriers that stop trade among our countries. But also, the government, our countries can deliberately save. We have been funding, we set up a science innovation fund where I have been funding government innovations. We have built an electric vehicle called Chira motor vehicle, and its sister vehicles, the bus and the other smaller vehicles. Using government money, government capital. So now we are getting demands, getting orders for that electric vehicle. We had to build our own vehicles because I had begged the Japanese to come and assemble in Uganda. They refused. So I said, okay, bye-bye. Now, when I started making my vehicles, some of the Japanese came. So want to assemble. I said, no, too late. I will not allow any assembly in Uganda. You must manufacture, not assemble.
Totika na yu mwancho mwirelia yokote makonyero serongo rwa Afrika igotore bunyamasi boisaine asa magendero abono kero arit kulia kabere lietaro yabare bali bakunyemere serikali gose United Alternative Opposition nigo yegeto mwerio litko oligoro maragoba esorogongoro lya ruabo kamba kolende kurotinsa mechi go kwara maragoba litko oligoro nigo omuraiwe kyamakiria agia DCP Geoffrey Rigathi Gachagua agarota kumugikerio muraiwe ense Dr. William Samoei Ruto asekiringa no gutekerania magendero bune abadiete iraba Kenya no nyanigo Gachagua nigarekanete osoime sana kubaboria abamenyi bense miyo abokamba kubwatisia kugalonzo Musyoka rigukirania ira yabo yo kumwaka isko yabisi omuraiwe ense Dr. William Ruto Gachagua nigaya kwanta ya kurotisa mu chichaka Kasayani imeye toni ya Kasayani hegotoka sensemo ya bunge ya Kibwezi West imeye county area ya Amakueni asaburi tiko mwaka wako Kalonzo na sobo ime helio kumusira bosio bweganga yayo gatamakuru y'ubarayibwense mu mwaka 2025 onebere himeti yenyemyeke ere mutugo so mwaka ogota.
Hey cousin. Hi cousin. Muko salama? Hapa ni kwa Kalonzo Musyoka. Yeye ndiye mwenye kusema hapa. Kalonzo akiongea iko mwingine. Akisema ni one term, akisema ni wiper, akisema tufukuza Kasongo, akisema Kuzoro Igiji akuje. Muko salama? Hapa ni constituency gani? Kibwezi West. Ile ya Musaliti. Ile inaitwa Mutuse. Ni bure si bure. Ni Musaliti si Musaliti. Huyo mbunge wenu ndio anakaa na Kasongo kupangia Kalonzo. Kalonzo akipanda anamvuruta chini. Anaambia Kasongo ati Kalonzo hawezi ongoza Kenya. Huyo mtu mtafukuza? Mutuse ni one term si one term. Aende asiende? Hapa mnaweza kosa kiongozi muaminifu kwa Kalonzo. Muko naye? Mumepanga kiongozi mwingine? Atakuwa mjumbe? Na chama gani? Mumeamua? Sasa hapa Kisalani mnasemaje? Kisalani mnasemaje? Harambe! Harambe! Wewe Ruto wewe! Wewe Kasongo! Wewe Kaongo! Wewe Zakayo! Wewe Kingei! Wewe muuaji! Wewe mtu ya Singapore! Mtu ya kutenga! Adui ya Mkamba! Kasongo aende asiende? Sisi tunasema tukiua nyoka pamoja na mayai. Si ndio? Tukifukuza Kasongo waende na Mutuse. Siko namna hiyo? Tunaua nyoka pamoja na nyoka ni Kasongo, mayai ni nani? Nyoka ni nani? Mayai? Nyoka? Mayai? Mutakuja kutembea Monyoro? Mutakuja kunitembelea? Mutakuja siku gani? Asante Makuso na wapenda, tumekuwa hapa siku 2 na tutarudi tena na tena na tena mpaka tupate serikali. Si ndio? Makasi ni wapendane wasipendane? Watembeleane wasitembeleane? Makasi ni watafuta serikali pamoja wasitafute? Makasi wafukuze Kasongo pamoja wasifukuze? Makuso wafukuze wasaliti pamoja wasifukuze? Asanteni sana watu ya Kisalani.
Mwancho mugereria Geoffrey Rigathi Gachagua nigara tigare ko baigati abana siasa bale bale nyoro sana miaka yonsi kiara sense moya ne botame ko kanga ne comedian hata ati wana wanyoka pamoja na mayai ibone nyitiri wa Mruto amagena mtuse nyoranga mtuse no mubunge bwense mubunge ya Kibwezi West uyorete emotion hase bungerene yoko mwaka isiko ya bisi umure mukonyi umure bwense jige tukikerange mukonyi umure bwense chinga kiecho Geoffrey Rigathi Gachagua yobona batebangere na magena yengiti na igo basabire abanyiri bali abakibwezi West ko mwaka isiko osewochero wone bwo mwaka ogocha togotegera sense meyo go ye campaign chero gongorwa bokamba mwancho mugireria ni gobono abara ibo opposition bande bali barengama na Geoffrey Rigathi Gachagua gati yabo omurewe kama kirikyo ipa Patriotic Front Kalonzo Musyoka marewe kama kirya DAP Kenya Eugene Wamalwa marewe kama kirya DAP Justin Muturi bose obamo bakwandire na kumurago murebwense nesekeringa tarekenia magendro ao imeyense ya Kenya korenga na barete ira aba Kenya nanyani igoni gandra ka mochia sekeringa emirobirie serikali ni yarekane gotekera na boronge na nigebwate amagoso are amanene hegati ya murobirio sha murobiri bw'ikinyomba mono murobirio bw'ikisemi oyukera bondiga hobendete ko tutukanu nanyaya nigago chinga kichinke cyo kamega yo muri kemone kugizaritse minsi ya Kenya Julius Bitogo tebanga kibesa na kirabe kirabore chigo chikogora chiskuru anekere chiskuru kirenge tokigora se tamu yende eiki egocha turarenge chinkwana cha Kalonzo Musyoka Eugene Wamalwa hamo na Justin Muturi
ndio wetu road kutoka Kibwezi Mutomo Tui jana muliona sehemu Kasongo anadanganyana huko Migwani amechelewesha for 10 years. This is the road to Ethiopia Mombasa. Tunaona miaka hiyo imebaki 15 months Kasongo hawezi kukamilisha. It will be a priority of United Alternative Government kuunganisha nchi ya Ethiopia na mji wetu mkuu wa Mombasa.
Si mambo ya elimu imemshinda? Si mambo ya afya imemshinda? Ama SHA inafanya huku? Kama ameshindwa na kazi enda siende. Lakini zaidi ni wizi ndio umefanya, lazima tumutoe huyu jamaa. Mimi nilikuwa waziri wa Uhuru Kenyatta. Uhuru pale State House alikuwa anatumia bajeti ya kama bilioni 4. Huyu jamaa ameongeza bajeti ya State House imefika bilioni 17. Kwa miaka 3 amekula ile pesa Uhuru alitumia State House kwa miaka 10. Yani 3 years huu ni wa 4 ametumia karibu bilioni 100. Ile Uhuru alitumia kwa miaka 10. Si basi ashakula second term yake? Sasa mtamuongezea kweli? Aende asiende jamani? Asante, Mungu awabariki.
Harambee! Najua tunasema one time kwa sababu gani? Tumechoka na urongo ya Kasongo. Unadanganya watu toka asubuhi mpaka jioni. Walimu ndio hao wanaumia. Wamedanganywa ati iko kitu inaitwa SHA. Hata polisi wametolewa kwa insurance ile mzuri, wamepelekwa kwa hii SHA. Hapa Ikudha SHA inafanya kazi? SHA inafanya kazi hapa Ikudha? Hiyo yote sinishinda ya Kasongo. Mashule zetu hazijapata capitation ya shule. Watoto hawana vitabu. Sasa imekuwa ni wazazi ndio wanaingia kwa mfuko. Na hiyo mfuko ni ile Ruto alikuwa amesema ati ataweka pesa mfukoni. Ameweka pesa mfukoni hapa? Amesema mama boga ati atatengenezwa, ati mpaka atakuwa na kiosk, atoke kwa kiosk aende kwa duka, atoke kwa duka akwende kwa supermarket. Hapa supermarket kina mama mboga wangapi wametengeneza? Hiyo yote ni urongo ya Kasongo. Kwa hivyo sababu ni nyingi za kupeleka Kasongo nyumbani, na sisi ambao tunaitwa United Alternative Government. Mnanielewa? Ilivyo lati
togotigana yoge siasa mwancho mulgireria mambia ya bono igani go bono museneta bwe county ya Nairobi Edwin Sifuna atebire go sanya bolia serikali kwene kingari bakorobekana imiense ya Kenya nkwe bare borendi voice kokwana kurasa magacho oye senate egemi uche Nairobi Sifuna nonye nigo mwancho mulgireria nigo go senigara kiro babugaye no gutako kibone kibesa kiria kigo kigwako no bari banyate ko bagosiria magimabo sekeringa ekichioka nchiba isaino nonye nigo nigateringa amagima nigawe ayengenchenene nigo bante kulgeribwa asenche eriyo weme na wekania gusegwikerania abali abategetu na bamwabo ekeriyo korobekana gwo mwaka o 2024 no kuri kwa mwaka 2025 kolia gwa agency kware kwamereria hebiri eri gukwanira amangana mangana komentakana kwebirengo byobugima emergency ya Kenya henkwana ya Edwin Sifuna korwa hasa magacho ye senate hegemi mecho Nairobi.
Yeah, Speaker, the system still logs me out once you give me an opportunity to welcome the students. But I wanted to very briefly touch on the statement by Senator Mundigi. Honorable Speaker, it was quite heartbreaking that we lost another 2 young people in Ishiara, in Embu County, arising from peaceful protests. As Senator Kinyo has pointed out, Patrick Munene was only 21 years old, Honorable Speaker. Morris Njoka was 32 years old. These are young lives that have been cut short very unnecessarily, Honorable Speaker. And the problem of service delivery in Embu hospitals did not start yesterday. I'm sure, Senator Mundigi, you know the conversations that we've had with you and your governor in the Committee of Public Accounts. There was, in fact, another protest just the other day at Runyenjes Level 4. And this time they were protesting the lack of a male maternity ward. Not maternity, a male ward in Runyenjes Level 4 hospital. So, Honorable Speaker, as you have noticed these days, I no longer discuss the expired MOU with ODM and UDA, because one of the things that we had written in that expired MOU was that the government of the day would respect the right to peaceful protest under Article 37. Our expectation would be that, or was when we were signing that document, that no other person needed to die exercising their rights under Article 37. These 2 deaths bring the number of people who have been shot by police during demonstrations, Honorable Speaker, since we signed that MOU last year, to over 30 people that have been killed at the hands of the police. And the problem we have is that immediately such things happen, you start hearing people talking about compensation. There is no replacement of value for life. I have seen some proposals saying, oh, the people who have lost their loved ones should be paid 2 million shillings. 2 million shillings for a life, Honorable Speaker. That is what we are talking about. And we are looking for the money that we have been promised for compensation. We're not seeing it. We want something higher, Honorable Speaker. We want accountability. We want accountability for the police officers who are doing this. This morning, this entire morning, we spent the Committee of Security with the IG of Police and the DCI. Honorable Speaker, the IG of Police told us that it is possible for you to trace and track every firearm and every bullet that is used by the police officers during this protest. How is it then possible, Honorable Speaker, that we have never seen accountability up to today for all these 30 young people whose lives have been cut short? We want to see accountability before people start discussing the issue of compensation. Honorable Speaker, we cannot go on like this. We cannot go on like this. We need the constitutionally guaranteed rights to be respected by the government, and there is no point. Nobody needs to die in a protest, Honorable Speaker. I am happy that at least at Runyenjes Hospital, there was no one who was shot. The police need to exercise restraint, Honorable Speaker, and nobody should be blaming the victims. I have had some leaders trying to insinuate that the fault is with the protesters. They were protesting poor service delivery at these hospitals. Nobody needs to die protesting over their rights.
Anchumurira togotigana yege siasa akeigo mana manganande nigo totamaka oikase biro binde byekigosori nyoranga ritukira rero mwanchumurira na ritukuri nene kerage emergency ya Kenya nene kero nendense ya Kenya kwarigania abamenyokaria RKP no Continental Tour yorogongo seyense ngima yo korekana imega saro kyanyaya guchakiro mugasoro chinse sauna isato goika obotukubwe chinse sato cyarero maragoba imega saro Kenya Stadium aiga bogatagati ibomochi o Nairobi mwanchumurira ase abagosori aho rabayigo munyoki aho bagerego ikirana asema mnyokaria sa mnyokaria hama mnyokaria ya tipo Chelsea mnyokaria mengi na wega mnyokaria ya kilomita eriwe ya mwechi mestani setonyoranga umobui world champion o Tokyo umwako eriwe eta rira nodira hatebirenga nende goika achikore kinga kobeka record yende asichimbere cyo nabayigo umokenya kumnyoka chimbe chinyenge Ferdinand Omanyara oyo batedor oro chimbere chinyenge chance morogongo rwa Africa to kumoroka the giant of Africa nerano ara chimbere cyo gatia mnyoki banda bange bawo chiwekera nagabwe asa mnyoka yitwa rero nyoranga Edmond Seremu amona amo Seremu na murabamu ababendeyemo omotu somo tiri twara bakumera na asachimbe chichi dubusato chogotuma macha mone bichara tego twara chinkona cheli na ndira afana no manyara kati ya mnyokibande betize chisiko buna baje kambele abari mense ya Kenya igoro yo mugasorero ngakibago chigokora na bayiga abande bago kibigo ikemense ya Kenya so tarengense ya Kenya nenseringia na bayigo banchanire no okomenya no so korekana agwense ya Kenya.
The welcome that I received when arriving in Kenya was probably my favorite. The dance and the music was, I've never experienced it before, and I definitely felt welcomed. I do think that it's something that everybody can learn from as sports, especially in the U.S. as we welcome our international athletes as well, and making sure that they do feel welcome, that they do feel that unity that sports does bring across the globe, because it is such a special thing.
Back again, and what can we expect tomorrow?
For myself, being able to come here last year was such an amazing experience, and even just the welcome that I got at the airport was incredible. I think I'm so happy to be back, and I think to reflect on the last year and the result, I think being able to come here and just focus on improving upon that, always striving for more, always pushing sort of the limits. I think that's an opportunity for us to showcase the best of what our sport has to offer, but also the best of what our event has to offer, and always pushing for it to be as big as it can be. So I think that's one thing that I'm looking forward to again this
year. I'll be doing the Diamond Leagues because last year I had not those good times to make me run the Diamond Leagues, but now that I have it, I'll be doing so many couples of the Diamond League. And Absa Kipkeno is my season opener, so after this we're going to do more. Being a world champion, you know what it means, and I think it is now pushing me to do more, and I think I'm hungry for more, and the being a world champion have made me to be. I think I'm now, anytime I'm stepping on those tracks, I want to do it better than I did it in Tokyo.
Great feeling knowing that we are put into that space as them, and so that we can carry on a legacy that that Jamaicans are always there in the sprints to showcase our talent and just do our best to compete.
Home, and home is always the best place to just start your season. And now that we've picked up the momentum, definitely tomorrow is business. We have to stand on business tomorrow. Looking forward to go under 10, of course, but at the back of my mind, I'm looking at the world lead.
Wanchumulia mnyokibwense ya America Gabi Thomas mo World Championship na bayigo Olympics mchimo mita chimi ya ibera batabanga kadege tigi chindega iga nigaro chensengi ya nseko mekameka ndete wetikana kuchense iri ya ngumbu kolende ngekoro tokebeke na tu kamanyane tokemanyete kolenda sonsi tukumwana ni Fernando Manyara Liliano Deira Edmond Seremu Mona Vande abamnyokibwense ya Kenya bobi umugosobonega bimukebendere to ya Kenya na kunyebekare na igoro na butambe Henry tukumanyikara cyato chideka emerongene na inye igoro isinse cyawa na mambi to ko nseme ntangani ya etrobini kwene semo ya kabire na nsemo cyo kwana manganege siasa nene omurindo bige siasa miergongo orwabusi umaiteri nke mwancho murire umugani ne kreme studio gaiga nende gosenimo tari onde gutateganera Ewen Nyangena Masege Ewen Nyangena Masene no manyibege siasa no monto baita manganege siasa senga kintambe obere sebige siasa o kreme studio na ga ontingali tkolera go ikachi ko kwandronsi ane merindo ge siasa hime ye ogosongo rwabusi nabayigo tuchikwe ko nyamasi baito asamangana ge siasa ime ye county ya Anyamira nonyenere omonyene igabege tamaisa yonsi pi osoko ligekero kirikyo MCA keria ke ward area yerigoma ime county Nyamira gotoka sebungeria ya Kitutu Masaba so wekera nugo chitego kwanere Ewen Nyangena Masega no moto masogoske kiagera ngochaza tayinki yakogera akoro kwa kadozi nikinemya yanko igwanga akoro kadozi masigengo chaza tayinki yakogera akoro kwa kadozi esencho wekera wego to kwana manganege siasa nende yago ntebinga no ari me studio na ndo no ari mbarabare gaika to kwana isege keke to kwana mangana manga ne morindo wege siasa ime ya Nyamira na tobe ko nyamasi boito ase county Nyamira anene ase ward yerigoma igotoka sensemo yebunge ya Kitutu Masaba ngoro Daniel Omwaga etrobini nige gendrete to masagoske kiagara to kana Ewen Masige no ari me ye studio mambia yabona
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi. Mrna nabali bechinguru elikwe manyabo na wataka kuchitana nya chiense Frida Kerubo, Innocent Onyango, Clinton Ondigi, Diana Ndemo, Ishmael Mogere, Lynette Nyambane, Daniel Omwaga, eke nakige kos kiamesa yamangana maya.
Kera kama tingatara, daiketa oni ya nyamira na rena shauri sangwe, ngaro moijana. Umozuwate ya mabwari.
Murigeri bwe Soko TV, oyo no moroberio gwokongoria mareko na inje mwana mboka Edwin Nyang'au, turabe tukumira na kira litukulie iki. Guchakira chinsa 10 cyamugoroba wikenseyemo yabutuko. Kugwakorire imirimo yawe yerituko. Kwabukire orosete uikaransitero ya ubwe andajita asekerugo orambulete merondo kunyagusibero ngori nari ase screen ne chingero chikoleto na manambuka Edwin Nyang'au ano to konyora chingero chionsi echiegita na chobenga kwa nubukano echiembegeterendo gesongengo to amereria
Bakaliya omotoya kabwatwa Obe bakaliya omotoya kabwatwa Amatukemero ngena gaika kabwatwa
Ine asama kiaya mbireo Seino mbireo Asama tuko amaega Obugima bwakira lituko bwomogusi Nigo bwale gosirwa nobolemi Rikomera, riburga, risamora Bionsi ase kerenga yokobeka ase ekiage ekemo Ningi keire ribaga rikiage asinka yomogusi Nobo nchereria, nobo orokia, nobo nyanyimbo Gose nobo agachi Somoroberio wikiage kyomogusi nobe gokumerana na inche Frida Kerubo kera litkoria ijuma chinsa ibere chamugoroba astogo sanga nomugusi kurwa chingongo eliokumanya naki bakwenyorera enyere yabo ya kera litko Tomocha Omokubio neritko abaigenwa abange kurwa chikansa bakumirana na komotogia omonene wetera amatera amansu ibibungo na boigo amarandia imega taseni Gen Soko TV tochikumirana kera ritko ria Jumapili jakira chinsa 12 chamambia weka chinsa inye zinyare komotogia omonguru na boigo komoterera nanche Diana Ndemo imega taseni Gen Soko TV
Mungu amefanya, ni Mungu amefanya, sio mimi. Ni Mungu ametenda, ni Mungu ametenda, sio mimi. Ni Mungu amefanya, ni Mungu amefanya, hivi nilivyo mimi. Ni Mungu amefanya, sio mimi.
Mukabora ingerango oyechigosori yabarire.
We've never seen anybody win 3 in a row.
Bono omwancha omurigereria ayabune motitire bwechigosori ao nobe na kirengencho yokokokera.
Goal! Absolutely astonishing. What about that from Gareth Bale?
Ngeteseni kia Gen Soko TV. Bono ngekuchunchugere kokwariganiria na kokwerera chigosori ao ogoikeranu. Tomocha kubwata etariki inainche Daniel Omwaga goseko gwancha nabo ogontona Erieta Suarez amagosori webegi iyokorio keraritko orio chimamosi igochakera egetone gikinze sano na isato chiamogaso goika 10 chamaragoba ase omoroberi ibwe achigosori amo nabanyangongo ase na kumanyana gokorosera ayatekire ase chigosori
and he's awarded a penalty.
Ebago tebango yogoseko mwelio nero gosekabya Maiga yokonyora mangana mange korwa segete seni kia usigete Gen Soko TV bonigo ya ikirenga kingo koleta nganya sai nigonda koletro morobili kurkunga amegelio yebebelia umurobiri nigo ndaorete amuna basomba banyasaye abu Australia ko batukwegera ringana asobwagare nantari yayoka nonyora matera noena masabo noborori ntunyare koba tukurwa ayankira rituko rye sabato rya bande bagotabanga Jumamos abande batabanga Saturday chinsa 12 chamambia ugweka chinsa ibere tomocha gekora nchumurisyo ngaga n'abasomba banyasaye ntokoletere umurubiri bweleso seseni Mrna nabali bechinguru elikwe manyabu na wata kuruchitana nyechense Frida Kerubo, Innocent Onyango, Clinton Ondigi, Diana Ndemo, Ishmael Mogere, Lynette Nyambane, Daniel Omwaga, eke nakige kos kiamesa yamangana maya. Eye Nensoko TV, Oboroso Bumugusi.
Karibu naenda mwachu mwagelia mambe ni mnabotambe negie Nsoko TV murobiri netorobini chiteke 50 na isatu igore chinsenye chiawana mambie ntunda ya kabine ya mwere kabisa mnabotambe itukulie torobini ichuma tokwa na mangana aliyedengete siasa kirongoro usene tojo kwani tukuyale ro mwachu mwirelia ne ingai siasa chiagusi chitrene we kabona iga siasa kirongoro wagusi ngai chire we kabona iga kose abamenyi barongo wagusi ngai batebire bago chikobeke kiara kiabona kobeke wino aseta bebosi bochole wenebo mwako gocha na senchera ere ya bene ni gonde nere ewen nyangena masega aonte ingati maza kwebereteria endi kwani kenjerenga korenga na rikwani senchera ere ya abene togendere okwana hasenchera ere ya bene nere ekadose rietalia ya linde manyekaine buna kadose yokorie kero kyo MCA asensemo oye ward yeri goma ime ya tutuma saba ebunge ya Clive Ombane ege sairo senchera yobe kanu no are me studio mambia bonega tochiko kwandra mange tochakirigoro ya siasa kirongoro nyamira guchaga tebine umugaba noye Amos Kimuminyalibu ngegaro wasaba kungusana anomo waziri bwamangana ayobo chenu emergency ya Kenya Aden Ndwale nabakone sana chimashini chichibonte gocha nyali wate babasiye chinchiri gocha sengencho ninga nigo ochire chitabwendre tigo senigo chire chikoreta madeni amane ase county ya Nyamira tigo chikonyara chibesa chugwa kana chimashini echo manyanigo agento kerete omoseneta okengo mageni go so aguika ase bungeria seneti tukoregoro asenchera ya bene nera kamanya gotebanga yaya Amos Kimumi tigana nyote itemangania bocheni wache ekeroge kibono kya gusinyiro gwente ko bakogoso kamangana mange toka mirongo rwagusi guchaga tebi erenga yare one time go sentuta mware chaga tego senare kadi go stari kadi ngomo kwandra ewen nyange na masega oyore manyekene mo nobuna kadosi kolige kero kyo MCA as award yeri gomane mambia bonega kireme studio kabisa kirondo chenga nigere gentike gimago chago swaga iga kuligereria chikamera chite mambia bonega nago kwana na mumenyi bweri goma ward nago kwana na mumenyi ebwe kauli mira na boy go kwana na bagusi bonsi korengana no mwetenene oye gose korengana inga kinseria ya Kenya ebwente go swasa mangana alia yege siasa emambia ya bonega mangana mangende teko karekana imero ngorwa gusinto chiru kwandra amangana yogo chagwichi gunsi bali abakunya gotirwa ne mesangakano yege siasa emense ya Kenya ine onyago cha no mosangerekano eri mosangerekano turwa ni bugo so yorade mesangakano kigo turwa ni bwa emambia gose ekese mesangakano yege siasa gendrete emergency ya Kenya yuan sto chiko kwana anere ewen nyinga na masegasi mambia yabonega ekatochi kurgeria emeroberio au yabagendro abakucha kibwano mura ebwense anene meje county eri Nyamira na chiko tebangero onyerore yagenda irebe kamogo byakirwa mataboli abekirwamo nechi simiti yuan sto chiko kwana mambia yabonega anene ketochi kwanda igoro ye ward yeri goma hiwe kabonega ikora unere nyambega gisesa uyore omu ward representative we gose ward yeri goma inse yeri aburi ye kiama kiria akia UPA na bonega kretoro chinge kiama kia UPA ne kiama kiria Jubilee ntoma etingere kike bwendrete gonya gosinkeri kibona kirre melimono himere gongo orwagusi tochi kwana anere ewen nyange na masega imambia yabonega timetigo somo director na gontebye obere tayari mbekoba aginkomoreta hasembeo manya kogendera hese mambia yabonega senchira ere yobwene hotinga Thomas Guska ewen karibu naine.
Asante sana.
Yes. Kamera yangara ne yeba soko kwane.
Yes. Asamaleta ngoro iwe ni Nyangena Masega. Abantu abange gali mu chiori ko mabodi bametumna kados. Ine nikine mne tu kare sana kana nge kijana keke. Analiri bwaje tensa wala lingoliera.
Mete eriate kadosi nko iliko kunyolia midfielder ya Shabana FC kadosi uyore wane kamara sugar alone.
Yes.
Numanya nene.
Ni mambo yale kabisa
ndio tuchache sauti.
Ade bado ndo bato mo MCO asakoro ku ngakoro kwa sa Kiambu County. Asakoro ku ade rande deputy speaker ya Nairobi County. Akoro kados honorable kados. Asakoro ku makiretari ya chire pia kiretari ya chire.
Lakini niga
ward ya Nairobi
wadi ya
mihango ward akoro ko honorable kadosi ne ngaba ndo kadosi na bateri search ngabali ngaraba kwane kana nje bana muna mwana rocho muna mwana siasa no mwaki mpira ono tro chama leta ri teneri kongo neri tani
no mokongwe
nje no mokongunda se sector
ground kiadi kama go Nairobi
ono Nairobi no bamenye tole na kuliga gas kido no bese lakini ase tote tukoweka registration ne to neri go maward ya no kinete no mbwate influence kabisa
ko card
niko card unaona tukwane ni mbwate movement ya neko kuniko card liko maward ne group ene sana vijana bie rule bile committed ya teba na iweno tosha Manaki na bansu kumeteka bakarande motu
kwa bakonyene ku belikire chikura
twali chikura nyinge sana riri kwa maward most of the youths we are focusing on the youths ekara bangi no batabwatia card na arete movement ko kuniko card riri kwa maward e movement ya bwatirense ere ya takadi no to kwane no endero abantu bakase ko batekura igara society
last elections registered voters riri kwa maward abaninga 19,023 timeti gwatemere ko push imba chabetania metekera mbare ba kule mbare baba ruro
no last election tano uti nyingi ya renga banta banene as youths imbarenge bangi like in this coming election 2027 majority of the election bacho wakachikura bacho kaba youths eke na mbono rochi batero mumoroyo mo one of them tigate ni mutwali ine basukume kabisa bake kura banta banga kabisa igo we are very positive the numbers are rising tonyora netebe
igo bate ino isaidi
abantu karo already tata kadosi
kwa basera
tina sera kete sera tungoni sera ngoni sera tungoni bari muta tina tora piston isaide mbetinga lakini chisera chotu naoni da abantu banjire
tora piston isaide anyway county ya Nyamira ni county number 46
yes
ni wata mangana nko kwa nekere kifia kya magendo na nini litukuleka na ntwaroche ngusani tindi kati mugabano Amos Kimomi Nyaribo amo no muwaziri kwa mangana yebo chini mesi ya Kenya Aden Duale kwa chinya gitari naroche mega yae moseneto kenga gatebanga okumiri sana no kwegena nga osena okenga tametenga Nyamira tebwati MRI machine chioko lingolia uruire bwa cancer na korengana Nyaribo ngachi machine chichigo cha madeni yani igo Duale atete guchireta by force wache second ya Nyamira na madeni linde madeni ya chikwa kwa kono gochis Duale nyana yago chamega ya yo kabiro omokonyo murewense gashagwa kwateba ngado na bwate chikama negete chigo supply chi material sichewe ya gitari mense ya Kenya Nyaribo kandre ngachi machine chitago chira sengencho ne chia madeni timetinga kinkwane yoranye kwane ne na cheche na chicha sa madeni nchikunyara gokonya bananchi banyamira bose inki yakora Duara ago chifosi chiche au kwana kuchisiza muchonse
egento kyo kumiko segento kyo yago tebasa comment yeyu ncho manyene naona vera Nyamira county ya matuka mangi Nyagitari ya Nyamira ni nyama kabisa. Radiology ngo korubere Nyamira. Ebintu byose dora wate aba Nyamira ngo korubire. Ego igato defend mu governor ito. Mete wa mu governor ari style gete lakini wana igato mo defend. Governor ate duale you are not my boss. Igona mete nda kona kin na muoche ga mukora analysis amonyo imite ibimbiro.
Chimashini chiteta kore to duale nchiro.
Chimashini radiology is working in Nyamira.
Okenga was saying yesterday kurwa asesere tinga gokumiri sana nga Nyamira twa MRI machine.
Ekaro muka Nyaribare very confident honorable. Igona mete nda kwana he has the facts. Number 2 siasa ni ngandrete Nyamira kati yomo governor no mo senator. Inyoro mo senator kingo na like kubo governor. You got that's part of politics being played out. Ona ba siasa waka sinyagitari.
To be specific Ewen ayo manyene kwa kore mirimo ase county ya Nyamira imesefira ngo byo birwa kore mirimo chinga kirioro nkwa maybe iri kubali akorire gose ko iro muro nyagitari nkwa chete section ya cancer ukaranga MRI machine nero iyo kengo mugeni akukana ngateyo
awarti ne katina igetendro na senero stera lakini what I know from facts egaroko ro mugava na go defend again kabisa ko soka mutote amno you are not my boss come to the ground and see for yourself igona what confidence gete sign na binte bya kwa na mbiro na na mete mbiro mete siasa ya chaka ndi mbere ya toka kilicho nini siasa ya bere ko munyeke mugava na back left we have to defend our county as much as somebody many what mechando ya bado it's our county the same way we love Kenya we must love our own county Nyamira yes
Ewen county Nyamira ne wate chimashini chegwa tebire na rende chimashini ni chiteta koretwa chinguru no mosieze njire chechi gosema mara ya nele ligochese county kiara kwa chimashini chiro na dora watana kwa chimashini gete chiangire gochikuyi buno mugabana inki gendera tagatiga
lakini ate is all about politics. Governor Nyaribori Mumbara ngiruga president wa the state house. He was the only governor from Gusii wata utachite state house. Iko siasa nere mawe nyinge sana ntacha ko na nkole.
Nyekwane.
Ne ntambe. Governor Nyaribori naze tukire ne tamu ya kabere.
Meta youths basukija bakukwana.
Ntu to kwana lakini ngote Governor Nyaribori naze tukire ne tamu ya kabere. Umosike okengo naze kubuli governor. Iko bona some politics is being played there. Na ndono chimana one time na two time na ro jubrinero UPN mwana mange igo what I can say the governor tu ke ngira ko chkwira na ira no boro eta kwira na ai ko kore ke tengeka yetu na banda to bana nchi bari Nyamira county yes
ewe ne mambe boniga kwa kwanere kuri mibire yabake gotoke ege mibire menge sana nene yabana bake chinse mo chiri cha Kericho nkira kwa niko renga neyo ayabuno buno elisari rengito bwa MCA na tutebe kwa nyora bwa MCA number 1 ngakira chikoba kwa advice mu governor rabisi chinga kiechyo ndide igoro ya asembere wente kobe kwa ikabode ga Nyamira tebwa tiese kubeke mebere ngikere Nyamira amare matayo go sendingaki na which is solution towards the situation
Nyamira maremo na mange tote Nyamira metene watu bari mu bonge kubana nkisi county ikine ntando taramanya batari it's very factual igota na tine cemetery rato bari Nyamira ali to locate land ule mu bube ko asigete mebere yabe ko ro kare ichira semo cherito lakini wana will be the MCA come 2027 again don't atemo governor before you address the media but first be factual mato mugabana riri ba mwambushiti ya kwana ryoka ibinduria news by siche iru nabantu bari chibuloga cyaje go tumbo online naje cyo kumara tere mechano bakasayi ekero nyaro kwanege to bage tumye style ngaho uko nyara bono ko attack you go first before addressing the media but first be factual unaona mebere atogete mengi kubo ya rustu Nyamira iyo kane point etakera ere very pregnant na kimebere komenteka ero chaga tena yimebere yaru etkwani ilitoka wapi na mimi ilipeana list fulani mimi ilitolewa kwa grave ni mingi. You know, that's sometimes be factual before addressing the media. Yeah. Being a journalist, that's part of what we learned in school.
Solution ere ligoro ya asabonte gotoka au ko berekegara tali matukonsie e county le chokote me county mbarabare go chia so okobeke me berekera amakweli ndege ntokero nabantu ekatusiria magi maito ntu kera ntu estamara bana watu arwete ndo ikano watu arwete ndo ikatuira no ntogo prevent deaths yo maete na kila litu ko ikame be monto sire wi mabwa we solution kiro chorarwe ayibono mu MC eweri ko mabode igoro asaku mverwente ko be kwa nancheraki iwente ko be
kinege ntokete kera very serious as the county assembly of Nyamira TMC jete wate motion ya watanga yombo mu butakero ba located we serikali bobe school kando arafu moche ko ndebe kuga we ndo na cemetery emebere kare ichere moche yanyo rasi kwiro umuntu ukuta bwati relative ba tamaiti asare we kwaro some people have no baba crisis chamalemo egaro bode shida yo mororo muntu twirusuga mochari oirobe kwa cemetery because that's a very serious issue na ningo sanya sanko nye 2027 ingo so mali egende kuna kwa mburi swali kongo nkerezi mali bune emotion egende igetwe kya baroro sai basindo ngeti yes
igo amari monaro
amari munyamira naro na mbona football singiro chintu ko kulturali ndubate university asene ko kasko tete korosigu igamare monari nyamira ne libona gende getarabe issue nene baro ne issue nene linde bagakole yes
umura ibwense na tara kurwaga bwe ime igurukurwa na kuretara ya ime wiki ya moja rimi ya rongo ruagusi munchu mwirelia na ato chukwana mangi kabisa ewe na bakaruga gutiga billion chibesa sana sehemu ya Nyamira anene akaba 6 million nkarenga 6 billion gochia se county ego sese nyagitari kwenye Rosia be ye igoro mono ne ndi bwate biranga binne byo bya bochenu SKMTC na tebete garia no mugabane no ngama hosa bachipara cha backstage chirosibwe na gatie bintu binde binge no biya beta ko bakagotiga higeti stadium korengana nga Nyamira ikabone gategwa tigeti kike chikoso libuna kilikia usibona ikwento ko uplifted kebegetie kende mono muri bwenso bereka gutachinse au chinse
yes
uno mwana siasa na wego mulingo ro manige siasa
yes
tubwate mitinye meka sana guchia chikura chebo cho umwako wacha merubiri ni chikirane university ya Kwandu na gwetu mundo kagatebanga muri bwenso akire kama gwetani mara 5 ikira trip ya yago gwakare kama go sinse mu chiri chia kya bonyoru ngaka kero chigoro merubiri ni chikirane na yeke mainere kwese kwa ikire ground kwa ring gendrete
egento na ikire ground aro na ki university kero ki ba korre chata na ande Kisi University is gonna collaborate with the Nyamira University of Korosigu ebe under the management of Kisi University under the vice chancellor Oyororo Kisi University igo gento ikia mwana university kinindo china bara gasane ake ikia sigete ake kerawa chokurene tamu yakaro nyakakwira na ake gendreli mete sometimes politicians yaba they are very, we can say they are like mama yetu na wako na game yao uno no MC oregetisa hivi ntombira chakira se godiane agase no te abantu ngaye chance ya kabere irinde ngori project chita tinti ndigaranje muntu wocha next year sinwa sawo chakira yona no mora iwense na oranyona be nere siasa waka acha kezi university anye tigera se keta batu bono mete ngira ni marali morore nkuri gente ngingora ningo chira nuchika igo siasa erekera se kere pande gento
igo ni shoti yabatebanga binte bimbiro chikwara bimu
bintu na university gento rako ne mitinye tete mesiniga
inkene wakaba gichakiria leitiga anya kanenge no muntu to karaba Kenya magana rabuna diete chira cha inga ikonyare bakauja kugana kinyemeke sana
tamtini ko rabule mu president wense siasa ya rura sana Nyamira ase ko first ko taka ye university teke kubeko abande batetebe kumanga abantu barugura batetebe ukiyabanyoro bona mesiasa kabwata sibaka mu president wate bona inuko ara mu asimoza geto university be ku mumego sabachibesa na siasa yake tubaka kareta abantu bandi bakaba impeached siasa ya bwata Nyamira ngo ngusana asa mangana yuko beka university ke kubeko ngibona konye nyendri baba decided that from the word go ukanga university ya chakete mapema sana ekera ne arenga se chi promises charuto kara kubuli chikura yes
na nero chenga egetambo kero ya siasa erso singa kichintambe kerere county Nyamira kwena mega singa chama gendro
yes very true ikera kino maana kera mu sana ras Nyamira gali yeto magavana kunsa chia msie chingusito ko chia lioka wana bako kumima gendro nachi ndo aba for a very long time county rocho bono mbora bachi tobeka Nyabaro gali ona rebo Nyabaro na ale mo speaker batata legitimate mo speaker okero na lengo okero na bwete kina igo binte binya back and forth mbigera te Nyamira yete kure na mega sama gendro kyara ntubwati structure farm
tutarache gukwanira igoro ya inki yakugara abemsie batwarire olio mana no mugabana senga kientambe baka kwarira mukalinde gamba muitige chunchu wange amasokie ingi anye watere nga oyo kabero mo speaker Nyamira kero na bwekina which is the right procedure when to talk gwatiwa akaba compensated go sa ko na uno mo speaker abwe county assembly
ndunga getabikira ko mata still in court nga gete kyaramba ina ndega Kisumu mangana yu wachi wapil na nakia bwekinekyo lakini what we can say takunya ko na bona mo speaker kyaro de mo speaker na chore na gendrete gasi ogente kera ko ngiri mu mosharo liyo ya gatakere gwe myake yonsi abakugendera kwegu na ko compensation ya gali ya na ro it's about 50 million na 50 million cha na gendere ko mu mosharo ya baka 2027 kere is still a legitimate speaker of the county assembly of Nyamira yes
igo onye ga guchiko bweki na kya ekere ase court kwa beiranga sana ase county ya Nyamira na kwa korega sime ye county yo anene inki kugera ngikeirere ese gi ntindi sana ya beire gati ya BMCA amona baga banesenga kientambe mbaka hangi myaka 5 megima yakire kubutuka wekera mweri gakera yakire gukirake mega ya Nyaribu gwete yagicuncuga se senate mega yako mukonya na wati ya BMCA batigichiga swali babwate
egenteke na wiki 10 ngeli na Nyaribu mete airete chikura after the governor Olinkoro sirete
na gusira
mu governor Nyagarama abona kara governor Nyaribu anyora chikura echo anyoreta tarachoro achoro tuno mo deputy kero ya sira kayo genteki direct 2022 nali agete chikura cyari takore enga kientangani agatenda buri no mugabana agachoro no bana abananji bora antu chwa kesa baro mu agabana ngo chikura chitamu isatomete kakwenda 2027 mete already chitamu isato ekera na ringeri na anda obere 2022 na anda bona 2027 wakale iko siasa nege andrete na kiera beda gakwira neli gatatu ibithe long serving governor in Kenya no mete yo
yeah
kakwenda na tamu 2027 akonya chikura gavana to Kenya tware ngakientambe bunere iko bono gavana ribona bwatesegi aba musimba yenchara aba musimba tawo ngutakabare bukwara ababanga ki plan
igo karati garabu igo te banga Nyaribo taiko banga be musira ke karabate ko ba kumorwani igase no ko bango sega sia bona ko kinga amagendo ikira abamenyu bechi wali chiabo
yani
nemira daira bote tachi ko banga ka
tiamba ige tongo tanke na aba musimba bwa terror ya bakora ya legislation oversight na representation bona karonyo mo MCA abinte byonse mbitakere bikorumba bwate chi committee mali ebunge chigweti meswada. That's why most of the time karoko bachoro no mugavana you must have the majority in the assembly egana abo to majority wa impeach bona sometimes bona na soete na mbalingi in good times na aba MCA on the way aba MCA batore chi ambitions mo so abantu bari kubari babunge sa Nyamira county bate kuburi bugavana omo aba senator mbaro kuburi bugavana awo chaba lobby aba MCA aba sereli bar mugavana ari katero karagasi elinde 27 kiwe chikura chigo chwaku aba very incompetent tanyore liyo kiri kucha kuburi chikura abantu abananji Ingo siasa, igete siasa. Impeachment rankawira mwangaza ngo ran siasa yakoruka liga koruka bako mwera kaendaka. Ingo na beke point yo so buno mugavana bako minyoki uyiko mayo kumenyana aba MCA kwa biro mugavana. That's what I can say.
Igo abantu korengana y'abantu gitimbara bara gutumika aba MCA obe eline nchiremo yo kumwaka ispiro ikania magani yabo.
The same way mo speaker okera bete impeach. Yes, magani abantu gitaba magani abayete bagaramo speaker no broki bindigo korekana. He was following the law. Ngabidi wa impeach.
Uno MCA if error ya ono gutumuka bobe go error ya ono ikanya magandara 7 na ninki gekogera bara gutumuka bobe na ninki go sinke bakogera buna MCA ogwanchira na wae ninki egwanchira gutumuka bobe go se gote baga go ikawo mugabana nere akuonge go it's a win-win situation ni each county to change ya Kenya.
Ekero mundu buna ona tiana ko good example aba gavana mbara onyara balinge tamu ntangani elinde barange tutaba kwa 2017 ekara 2017 2020 tanyore tikura yani asa 2013 2017 tanyore tikura 2022 akairana nande umeto mugavo ni bona ko swane ke shinde kanene sane kyara abantu baga tatairana ile yakabere babere osine chi MCA barende tamu yakabere one ora differences kete chiku chaboro stari healthy oyo mugavo na anchitaba MCA gete tanchitaba MCA gete ikire ntokero humanity na bako kare gasigo. That's why tubate abantu bari in majority na abantu bari in minority. Omugabana bati meswada tete ase bunge ya county. Eka nyoro possible ntubi debi none na buri na magendro mega kyara mugabana rubate extract chabune county tekero barana. Ono differences lazima chiboro kati aba MCA no mugabana bali baro murengo gete. Nakika kwa bero muntu bune wasino mugabana you should make sure majority of MCAs ibaro side yao. Eka rote tu ete no muswada weti
wikaboniga situation niga imeye county Nyamira anene ingakire imeye county Nyamira county aseme Nyamira gati ya MCA na bagavana
sayo kumusana ngaro roko nene sana ekiaro mugavana is not working with the national government almost speaker Charlotte Nyabaro is working with the national government almost kero muntu we county yakwa kine national government lakini except the governor iko differences njiro rokati mugavana na MCA ko differences njiro rokati mugavana no speaker yes
ngo Charlotte mo speaker
ese naba MCA
MCA majority mugavana ingo monominated
tingo
omo speaker
ba chagete rankos the deputy speaker yole Nyabaro nemo speaker olenge legitimate okoriko eno kokero ega differences chiaba ekaro kero renda aba impeached kero asumiro motion baka abere impeached oyo ngoba that next konyore
the deputy speaker was sworn in.
Speaker akaba sworn in. Yes, but now people are saying it's not legitimate kera mo speaker or legitimate no kero. Yes.
Ingobono amenyi banyamire go bachandike tekiagaranya baka waniga chirango chiro is there development in Nyamira.
Rango is just in chiro asenge jorango chiro ro na kyo baka asenge gotema ko impeach mo governor. Mo governor basiri ko mo impeach kera ngara ngamora to let motion ichicho impeach mo governor. Yes. Rango sukachike andre kam 2027 aronyo kokonyo gochandeta bara abonyo ku assembly tro karaka siri sabu mega ground inkogochi 2027 by the red card yakoreta anya konyo ko sono mo speaker konyo sencure to yore kingi kwa to korete kyangu nkigwa korete no ninjo mo MC wana nabwate kiro ko mali assembly lakini wono nyibinto akora mali assembly ne byatekera kore ground mbiri kwa swana
mbiri yakora assembly mbiri bi
yani what I'm saying meta nabo gotoka assembly mali ubwate cheo lakini ground turokora maendeleo korete bona cheo iri yawe assembly tega okonya kero cyo kuburia bande ground yana kinga chikure tamyane akabere nekere bintu koreta ase ground mbio. Yes
igo sokuru magandra taraikirana ana batayirende ne sengencho ye chirango lusiarengo matu
kama kiba gotamera monsi baka mosene tegero muntu atanyamira rango sigendrete na kyama gandra tagochi lakini wono mpaka liri turate rango si nande mura located chibese chino keregenta
tagasanga bacha located chiro
bese chito chitange gocho na tese mubate rango si
kwego bari chibese
chibese mbabwate ngibata ko ramagandra batamera rango si bayire chibese. That's why we need some people who are intelligent, who know what they want. Obwate passion ngo chikonya abantu baberi ko mabod, oso mali obeke meswada na ando baretera magendero. Yes.
Kwa beire se asege erogongoro rwagusi kwa tare gusi kwa tare baka se county ya Nyamira kwa menyiro amatuka mangi na ngo taroli go chikiro ndi weekend and maybe other time.
Yes.
Political ground yorongura gusineririye ebonaiga
asa wazabo mane sai gusiye ngima none simba ochitagaire na gaswase serikali ebanta bange wantambale kine entokero ekiara gusi as you see no ekara tukubeka analysis na rochuma na wana na teme tukubeka sana former CS oyo Moses Kuria Karangali citizen na baga sana gatebu na wana gusi region anye tame tubune one time zone ekiara gusi gali aro na mbono gocha kuonike kyame kya UDA negasi ngamusana
nkeyo
negasi negasi labda coalition ya korogete lakini mbona it's a very early gocha kuweka define whether it's one term or two term ndo na atavengeli na we can wait till April next year ekaro siasa ya chachi kabisa abantu atikiri kwendera kutebana zino mabunge bano kwabere obore free ore tari go koligie second term go siko chikubori chikura nande wana litora mana kinga y'abantu abanke baro chikochi lakini for the meantime matengi mnarali muna spokesperson y'abantu bitu bagusi igendo kiri one time kirochi
igota yanga gusi matiangi itabirwe
matiangi aho itabirwe ayo ndipo yasi wachikuva against matiangi na bararenga kintambe sana ase rongoro ituragusi. Yes
wa terenga ne spokesman inga kya mangana ali ande ngwete nga mugavana Paul Simbarati ne spokesman ya bagusi
Simbarati no mura yumu ya sana na ara yoche ntate na he knows what he wants na ame tunaona magendro buna gesa so side ndo ruchi bintu byakire birakitambi achaga Mosagwa mu president na achali atwasha bana itakanye basi nyise na magendro achire kusema ukweli gesa Simba ajoine serikali stairete gesa ODM na UDH maji hora mwaro chembabo ate bintu ali bakakwana ngama ngana na bara be coalition e watch things lakini bono difference chiko chiko chabuna abantu mbaro bari UDA bakochikana UDA abantu bakochikana ODM abantu baberonya bonse bari bigogo nakibacho kuyiwana to ende buna bono Mombasa ese most treasure anki Montreal yo secretary general no bona tumuri bogavana Omar omugavana Rosa ai no ODM
na iwe tega te banga kende nkeyo gaiga mugatre ni bune ODM
ora ngote coalition ni tete ko chikoros ku eyu ekweto na arrival ekera mba ko iwana aspirants bari mbachi basinyana wono timete strategy kyo shimwe mu raiwe nsara achatumie paka machi binte babere bayigwane kutoko na wanga mata chishida kachiboro ka UD geta kebe kina no era aspirant
kidero
naro abande UD muna china ero kurumuina na kiba ko igwana
igo wanga kote aiwe to bo bagete
obo na ande number 2 nero ntume tingo cha ko yogenteke number 2 yes
mbora kidore kindikitayo
Ora tukumanyire tatali ponda tali kwende kwa chatali bwanja ni boko choko kulireli utoche kulire numbers ngikwaletire mesego chance side ite yarinda mwananje yarinda ground meshida na robad basi kwa mango kwa choko president tubate Kalonzo tubate Matiang'i aba gusibina tokora Matiang'i tutaraswa mali na tutora iminjo tutana kintu bana abutotone twakekura lakini ngoro berele abantu bana bali mabwadi ngikibika nyukara kansa bintu birimo nyakubango chikora baadaye
Ayo chakire kuru.
Chakire sasa ibintu bine bro moja kwemicha baadaye.
Ayo manyene Matiang'i atachori no akekure yiya ngayo chunyaka.
Ona kese Matiang'i beko tari ko choro lakini nsa abo msire ni moto na chikura na tibona mwenda ko tana uti wako ikura na Matiang'i tayo.
Twake nsa kura mo yatra na police station immediately akura chasire.
Chiosi pipa ko msire nje bandini de moto. Lakini sencha ndeke la tuko kadi ili tukwirike Matiang'i tabe baroti. Tome era yobe sana. Ino kala twakera tunsa ababunge litora available aba MCA aba senator bagavana igorali mokora mokora na mokora.
Gwataire nga wikarabaniga stand intracha ngobori igoro ye county ya Kisii. Stand y'umugabano inonereriye ye.
Umugabano tubona twara no mete nere party leader ya UPA.
Ya UPA nene na rekanta ko bana Matiang'i sana ikakera aike senate yakagoswa timeti nkiatebetibu nkamaro tambo kireti mati nga kiro chi stand y'ukirabaniga. Ose gare gatigati ya
olibone kumete meri na temeri ndo bone mengi. Ko ga turukurusta no embono no chama ndora join chama na ne chama getoli. Bone ukora tebana kikiro getengoli. Wote ne chama getole bono mapema mambinde chama ingo bereti wona ne chama ereta ereport influence ya region yao yera be disadvantage osacho ocha sole igobono mwabana ntanya libo nabwate tatwizi sana ikyara he has to choose a side come 2027 orocho monitoring kubone manyene ikyam oro ochire yali obere deputy party leader oyoro musike Matiang'i bono either na Jubilee ko samente na UPA kana ile party leader UPA no gakwenda UDA gakwenda Jubilee babo bantu abandi bose bakayema bakanyetera gukuri chikura kuroro igone kechebe kinyanganiko sana kinyanganyiro sana yes
tugo chake gese county ya Kisii gwatere nga gusi bone ga one time nanya kore isikoya gosokore opo against Daktari Fred Okengo Matiang'i toyo lakini nende mugabana kwa county ya Kisii tinikora ngamora bwata banta wange sana eno tebenga nere one time kweli
mugabana Simba Paul Arati na hata ana metoche serie mia I give him credit. He is a leader who I emulate so much. Ikara kana ngora resteri akite siasa ndabiga agacha kusiga riri muri kana ko mugabana abantu bonse balenge nere 2022 yabete chibikiro mutana nyalete sha
ekerogia
roje bakadonyo lenge yu wiper agayeta ne wevu yakenda nero ko yo bero women rep babo nyonga mo senator bagayeta nere bakamyoka gali muri oka bakabachi senator tada ati mbabwati nguru mbabwati chinguru lakini wevu gete nero ya chitenga kia Simba Arati kiregendo kabaye siyengema echikiro rendere ka macho wakwe imagine erentambe lakini wano akatokokeli estate ate to tikakuwaka na Matiang'i triko chikomabera byanere yeah. You should work with the Matiang'i nabo ate influence. Matiang'i mweto wane national leader. Simba Arati, yes, is a national leader, but is more so a county leader. The moment kwa tiro kwa mbunge, kwa tiro kwa MC, wani mo governor.
You are into the county.
You are into the county more. Na kiko raba ntaba nga bakungu na wana babo governor Kirinyaga we madam mwake mama His Excellency na kiakoro.
Kirinyaga.
Anu was so vibrant. Kaya rengo mo ata rengo mo governor. Lakini kwa mo governor mono kuwe siekera kwanya rono. Kwa vile abuno utenda abuno amana mangena bo county ukwa turukwa national politics ekia banta bango chiro bo senator no bo MP yes
ngochitero gutambuka tukwandire goro siasa achi ward yeli go makonde trachi gutambuka ngo kuboria libori remote mayo kwanda mutimo ko tumanye kwana gatia UPA na Jubilee tete tukwandire meya county ya Nyamira ase UPA yara kan tukutwara chinguru chinyinge sana Matiang'i utambukiro chire se kia makirikia kia Jubilee timetinga kibonega ingakia abanyamira ba mwire kegara gatia banta bange sana by election to karomo to UPA gakoira omo representative wanyamige sasa bwete chikora bwetere kyama kya UPA na boygo no mugabana gwe county ya Nyamira inga kibonega kere ne Jubilee ne chenya rawaso ime kabisa ose bado UPA ngo chebete ni abantu ose mogo chikosogo so sawa chikosogo bakeme
ometana gote UPA yarenge led by Matiang'i Dr. Matiang'i ekara Matiang'i achinjiro chi asa chiro chi no abantu abango cyo kumyaka wote iko twendo se mostly njubunando che kinde ngiro chika mutwa most of them CS most of them MPs from Gusii region abange bacha wasoi kyama ya Jubilee ore na Jubilee echo kurugusi Jubilee akaide libaga ndiyo buna one bijana tochi kuga mali ntokare ntochi tomate ujeze ekiara wana Jubilee aba kali bosi bate nibo bamye kiro chororo ibatanga no roba bekire ba brokiri tochukoli kino ne patida ntoko nyikera bona mwana mangi niko bona Jubilee ne bwato mushiko sai kusi other than UPA.
So UPA got a shot UPA nyamirere ego UPA nkeke next
bona onye mwabanya libora blagiri 5 na ndabo mo aire ne tamya kabere alafu muntu to pinganero kuruku mheshimiwa kisasa na roro chenere chairperson ya UPA. Yes. Igona muna UPA nje bona tingo to korre kyaro opponent ya nere no yere ibige tamma kao kabisa igona nje kandi kicho alternative kujisika wega na nje tunyora ne ballot
mbacho onye neba ngagiachire nse Jubilee iremeli UPA unga kiro chango chibare go field ya bantu gosiga ba uchiko kimera gasa.
Yes, they'll merge the two parties and mostly Jubilee will take over. Akera UPA is teraki na atwara milima Jubilee ya bwata mili Kenya ngimo. Because there's most likeliness ya Jubilee kome yani UPA kome na Jubilee. Yes.
Igotore ba UPA na BMC bali barese kya mekyo igone ndego ikabera ne drawing board next
bye ndo Jubilee gal nomination chikoru oyo ranyore gente kyanyole yo tanyole aenda independent one.
Mwanchu muriria turenere ewene Nyangena Masega oyiye orumwana siasa na bego muringore mwana yege siasa urebe kitama isayon siasa uko ligikiro kiwe MCA ki ward yeri go mabosyo bochori ibonene bogo chabo mwaka wachiro beno ngebere ne town nebere chapto kechidage kamera ngebere na isano nemo igore chinsa isano chiabona mambia tukuri mutumoko makego mwanchu muriria tumayochukana kwende trenda mutumoko abantu bangesara bente ko likiga message akoro kwa Dennis Kirande Mosebege so watching live corona kuru Salams Club akoro kwa nere Kefason Songo korwa Ratandi nyamaya ward watching live muyamono Christopher agotebonga korwa borangi Kenyambi with my wife Lydia Kerubo abana Sheila Matiangi Moranga Mikae amona mamongi na tata Moranga muyamono kabisa niko ndani ya tamati ayote mama Ruth from Amariba watching live and following pamoja hadi tamati naro kwa Jeria Kerubo watching live korwa chinsa machiri cha Barin Kingdom na nye hakote ane miss the call Fred Moga watching live and listening korwa St. Peter's Nyake nyomisia secondary school na baigo Musebege Suf ko Salams Club chinsa mochire chia na akuru mwancho muriria tokere mutumoko mosini tokwana tuchiko so ntunda yende ya gatatone ya mwereke gi maternere ewene Nyangena Masega anasa wichiko kwana ibirengeri bya igoro ye ward ya yeri goma na baigo nkiagerere kwebe kubunyamasi bwa wichiko ligikero kyobo obwe MCA sense mecho na baigo nkiriaro chinga bonto kuchiko kara bantu beri goma ketara bakokyo kerekana wekabona iga hase amatukare mutugo sasa bochore bane ebwe mwaka ichibeno ngebere ene tano nebere Thomas Oscar Trovini nigagendrete
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi. Je, una ndoto kufanya kazi ughaibuni? Mwakala wa ALM tutakuwezesha kutimiza ndoto yako. Tunatoa ajira katika nyanja mbalimbali kwenye mataifa ya Qatar, Milki za Kiarabu, Saudia, Bahrain, bara Europa, miongoni mwa mengine.
We are legally registered by the National Employment Authorities and we are licensed to do manpower recruitment for different countries. Currently we are reaching companies in UAE, in Qatar, Russia, and we are hoping to enlarge our boundaries.
Kwa maelezo zaidi, wasiliana nasi kwa nambari 0721151500 au 0729690571 au unaweza kutembelea katika ofisi zetu zilizopo jijini Nairobi katika jumba la Delta House, orofa ya pili, chumba nambari 204 katika barabara ya University Way.
Tupigie simu utimize ndoto yako ya ng'ambo. Karibuni sana.
Ine nuganete betri uratumia segari yao ebetri ugucakirimo ugakweba ebetri ulegene chinga kichonsi ebenga kieriberera gosenga kiyobokendu tawe chanika Autobat Kenya Limited no tulegigiga asingichao nigo tokorosia na koni chibetri uratumia chinga kichonsi chibetri uratumie asegari enke ebasi no nyaneli kurukuru.
Tutakupitia pale kwa gari yako, tutahakikisha tumeweka na tumekupimia charging system ya gari na pia tumekupimia battery na kila kitu itakuwa iko sawa.
Alright. Sasa na ikileta shida kabla hii warranty ishe itakuwa namna gani?
Ikikusumbua kabla ya warranty utakuja, alafu tukishaiangalia tutakupatia battery ya kushikilia tukiendelea kuangalia yako.
Talia yoka ne battery yechinguru.
Battery ya Autobat ni battery ambayo ni spill proof. Kumaanisha hiyo battery haimwagi acid ile ambayo iko ndani. Hiyo battery imetengenezwa na calcium. Kama vile tunajua calcium hainanga water loss. Kumaanisha sasa hiyo battery hakuna wakati ambayo inakauka hiyo acid.
Asamange twakirisimi namba 0739 697855.
Kwa wale watu wakuja mstatiwa, wachana na battery kama hizi. Tumia Autobat. Battery ni Autobat.
Muligari bwa Soko TV oyo no moroberio bwo kongoria mareko na inje mwana mboka Edwin Yang'au turabe tukumira na kila litukulie iki guchakira chinsa 11 chamogoroba weekend seyemo ya butuko kugwakorire mirimo yawo yerituko kwabukire orosete uikaransitero ya ubwe andajita sekerugo orambulete mirundo kunyagusibero ngori na hali ya screen ni chingero chikoletwa na mwanambuka Edwin Yang'au ano to konyora chingero chionsi echiegita na chobenga kwa nubukano echiembegetere ndo gesongengo to ameriria
bakaliya omoto yakabwatwa ole bakaliya omoto yakabwatwa amatukemeronge na gaika kabwatwa
ine asama kiaya mbireo seino mbireo asama tuko amaega obugima bwakira lituko bwomogusi nigo bwale gosirwa nobolemi likomera liburuga lisamora byonsi asekerenga yokobeka ase ekiage ekemo ningi keire libaga likiage asenka yomogusi nobonchereria noborokia nobonyanyimbo gose nobwagachi somoroberio wikiage kyomogusi nobe gokumerana na inche Frida Kerbo kera litukoria ijuma chinsa ibere chamugoroba astogo sanga nomugusi kurwa chingongo elio kumanya naki bakonyorera engere yabo ya kera lituko tomocha
Eye Soko TV uboroso bw'umugusi.
Karibu naendo mwancho muri chideka 34 chinsi sano chia abono mambia gosebona magaso asenchera yobe keranu mwancho muriria igotogo chiko swa sentuna yende kingese kyagaton ni kyomwere kabisa tonere ewene nyange na masega oyoro mwana siasa na boigo moringoro manganege siasa ukukara bonega obegeta maisa no bunyamasibu aye asa kurigikirgo kere kyo MCA ke ward yeri goma himeyen semo yebunge area ya Anyaribari Masaba mwancho muriria yani Kitutu Masaba ere ya Clive Ombanege Sairo na boigo nigo ere gatie chigore chiri isano nemo chikotoka se ensemo yebunge yo ya Kitutu Masaba ntwatega chubage sima twate magombo rigoma ntwate na Nyamanga kemera bonere hate abandi tetekoba representative yensemo ya Ayeri Goma award karibu nende ewen senchira yebwekiranu why you in Nyaribari Masaba in Rigoma ward?
It's me because I am a representative of the people. I represent the voice of the people in Rigoma ward. Yes. Ende tanga ninde tote abantu bana bari Rigoma ward mbia mono asenge nshoko tebo mumuro na isene ndarachi ninchoru abantu rede ba accepted banchiro mumuroyo nane jo metende kyo kuminjo mwana bo mulisi igono kanisa yonse pichons chiade mumuro mbia wide ego ingoso mali bino nganchiro so gal 2027 God willing I'll represent my people very well. That's the main job I'll have. Representation. Nge abantu bana bari Rigoma ward representation chetororo ari ase assembly eto ya Nyamira. Correct voices of the voiceless as a table MSA county assembly. Again, the government chokora gali as a county to Nyamira legislation. Ekoroso amali you must make laws. Ororo komeki machiko as on behalf of the people of Rigoma ward and the county of Nyamira at large. You go on a motion chiro chiko cha se bunge chons we can chase njirigireli nso ase committee ke tegala ase bunge ni kajara seka wazingo so man bantu no murombi esa ine bambe kana majority leader na lingo etebinto bya kabisa.
Those you are those are the roles of the MCA.
Those are the roles of the MCA. Eyo mwero pie ere ande na ere amana ne oversight. Okabe watchdog yegento kigendreta ase assembly. Usase county ya Nyamira. Oversight mo governor, oversight ibintu bigendrete. Kwaleta magendro, kwanya propose job opportunities wachiteba into binebyo.
Taigo chiko sabagentu kidogo. Atako ya timu ngako mwaka chise yuko murusi wabisi.
Na timu tumo munyo kurobisi arwaro. Ngakurobe obo mugapa no sabeki.
Mete siasa yebuye kaine. Na mo na ogo ikalyo bone goro mu Kristo kwatero mwana mulisi. Iko nayo change kabisa otaka kitu kidogo.
Kitu kidogo lakini kwa konya ikia tadi mugapa na watu tunabana inchi obahetere marambirambi chabo chisebe maria siasa yebuye. Yes.
Wancho mwigire tunere wena nyange na masega kacho de kamera ngeto ni sauna ibere meyege teseli kwa kebene gen soko TV tima ityonya koro manyibwe nsemo ye ward area Ayeri Goma ngiyumba tete kurwa chinsa buchinga kibune chika chona mamina bogwa kesi yese namba ito erega bwe screen yao 0788 66 66 63 senchira ire yobwe kanu nyara kwa 90 namba yese screen yoga 0788 66 66 nabega boko like message hese myeto ya WhatsApp bosoko like message garia hese media ya Facebook na nchinya so message kama ene ewa nware megaiga ototo kumabodia libo ndiyonse bwata ko cyasade mwakresi minenche kimokeye masa ya moto yotoko kwa naye go seni kire yuko direte kumabodia igoro ye account Nyamira nabo igoro ye ward area ye Rigoma mambe yabona iga ngakresi mi nabo igoro dikere message hese WhatsApp hese message ime go se ase mere ya Facebook masa ya mo onyara kubodia ewen kelio tagete na inche ngo kwango ko bwate simye senchera ere yobo kanu katugende ko kwana na ewen ye mambia yabona iga aime ye studio to yenso ko timuro bidino yubwe etoro obini Rigoma ward Kitutu Masaba.
Yes.
Clive Gesairo mbanana ya robo bungo engoko.
Yes.
Nyambaga kisasa na romo MCO wikabona iga.
Yes.
Nimeyeki amakerekia UPA.
Yes.
Nke yogarote tokoswa abisikiera kirochenga nyambega taragekora.
Nyambega bintu byose na tere roles cyo mu MCA na risko kidogo ase bintu. Again tuyoka kanene pinyambega ndo chakorete kagera akatwara mu nguso sana no gotete boundary ya Rigoma ward gali keroka mucho keroka aganye define ate boundary yetoneye gero mogara chako bitoro ushuru mwa side yetoneye igendo yakabena yuchi besinge sana chikoro si chiro na tema chipara chindo amagandro ngonya buchari Rigoma kyara keroka bona moso keroka nchen keroka nkine tenjono mominyo keroka town asa koro ku montine gali okinyo kya montine ebintu binene pia kore ne binge lakini rende njitimbo atimagana na giseso maite mane na ndingete ngo chari sai Isaya sante tengo tenje timbo atemanga nae ebijana bya teno mu muroyo na isaine igendo yakabere amagendo kwatemira so watemire nayo saba ko gotaro mo skema tiyanyi matingita mubwata koboka moski igoro amwera origete nsa atiga babichara bigambe bono cyo mugaka buna bono bantu bara bagaka batukubura chikure cyo MCA ndi bona ngo boneli injine kijana ke ketimbo ati myaka mingi error yo ge ro ko kanda kire mbo ne gero ko MCA kyaro mo to kubura president you must be 45 years and above bono tinde ka myaka yo abantu bara bati myaka 45 bawo to kondwana ro MCA nsa paka ngi bono ngyo tatema ko no bugavana ko chigora ali binte binene ebiye myaka yawo ebinte ebike byo bo MCA nini karati kere bichana ntutya ko kukini ukurunsa wo chigoro ande ngendo ngena ko abantu bane be mu board omuntu gasoire mali mu bwaterere diko nyu muntu ako mu MCA chitamuso to tigo mu musiki wo chigoro nyo kini onya ko kagenda wo chigoro nyo tigera abantu bane bachina ko onya mo to chance ro chitucha ko ke bantu nduri chinguru
iwa muntu ka wo riri mo asko chimuto
muntu ka wo riri mo ka
ayo cha ko wo riri mo ira na usko chimuto
yasa ka wansi na bako rero ko ririmo kwa kora magendro ni myaka 5 ni myaka mingi sana metinyire ngoro jera se myaka 5 aka ngo 12 times 5 ene metinyire ene metinye 60 months ene metinye mingi sana kila lituka matukare ngale maburo jase myaka 5 ena matuka mange ura kora magendro mange sana eka ngo mo ndata na ti myaka 5 tesa ino kora magendro ko kumisana sai to digital vijana ebingi branchwana ya ma software engineer ngora tamane ya computer ekarongo cha sori wa modi gali ngorete bintu bikoro ku new technology I will govern by use of technology ebiye bantaba ngwate gerwa som buna wono to ke tuyo school cha AI training ekaro mwana akore form 4 tariko kana wasoma computer na ati ibinde bibia basics also ma basics sika ukora na to menta mwana ku computer enhancement ya omanya mwana chi AI ekere the world is now moving to technology ikono ekarongo bembere sabantu bane biri komango batena I've been a journalist I know queries church journalist I'm now into mambo ya IT sasa mukine pakura mimi ndaleta maendeleo ya ki teknolojia yes
aino musaya to tukwane mangana alingete mangana ayichiko soli imeyeli go magwodi mangana tuchukwana kuchiaba mangana ya yeje chisemina uchinse ligoma ne ebwate chi ega mangana yichiko soli ine no bwate ndote ndionsi yo connecting chiko soli au alene ngoikara chire
yes kora liga sana chiti mnaona vuna to kwanega this coming August inde tukobeka tournament ya bachesaji beri go magwodi. That's part of my CSR yo konya bantu bachezaji beri kwa maward. Ego none timu ya Shabana bachezaji abange mbaro teji timu cha FC cha Keroka gali. Ndobate Keroka FC, ndobate timu yendia ko Montine gali FC. Ndobate rigo mamo inali FC na yona roro. Timu nchiro chinke na akonyira sengo nyaro. Unaona iya Montine asendwete nimbaite mepira ninte meta sengo nyaro. Narafu na timu chinte tebano chichiro sia tournament e kare this August. Timu e kubwa ndio taba shimo bere basateka bana support toba ikende yes amana chitane ninkonya sana unaona tubate this coming December ndio tukobeke ngende ko rigo ma world talent search eyingo jogare taba sani bonsi pakurugusi nimbo to muntu eto konkonya ko support inde oyo go cho organize show yi to debeke kale school ko academy gari karo inkonto kana management ekare show ya bekiru kwa soe show yume wasone ndiko kwe kadi ya voter registration onye tuwatie kadi rosama ndio tabasania bana bonse bagusi barokora bagusi lakini kwa swama
kadi uwe kadi
nko request abantu bayibisi tugori wika bachiga basigeita ki desk chabo again the main thing we are doing is mobilizing youth to take voters card babere ska umuntu onyo ale kura ega bubate kura osoyima arra basania bana bagusi and they get started to level to West Press ndarate ni ikuntu bangete to December sana 25
gwakwane mwe ichiko sorry watego mangane yuko beke muti nyuga tana gatatu wo muti nyuyo apart from chiko so ichiwa te bantu bachese by maybe tournament yo bega kombe bagende kwa miki initiative yo kwena kinga abwata nigete abe team chinane gocha wikana bali galia na gote amago search na go identify some talents bunenchera ya moyoko basiremete to kwa sena kombe yo kago sechi siringi sana arafu agende yeah
unaona muntu nalo wate sana musana no kadosi ando ndabona karo muntu awacha buna na acha ko watch buna participate buna fan and I'm reaching out to my network Clevo Kisayo
your MP
my MP nera achiga ne movement ya na go support teach talent sana achiga nera to watane to world levels nera wa want next time abeke tournament na abeke yemo and abeke yendia constituency level one yes
How is the situation in ya masomo imeye ward yao anena mangana haya ya Chibasari?
Chibasari wana ina role MCA sana no mga. Lakini ndio kusema kweli masomo kwa kilio mgodi masomo sasa kuna shida kubwa sana. Shida tu iko ni kufanya masomo iwe digitalized in a way. Masomo naona nje kwa sababu alichi skulu mcheri wa mwana na chima Jones na chitari na gano no kiri ngaro tishida bagwate kana ne bijana bikego to kara kora temo korona ngikigenda retora.